Welcome, beautiful people, to this bright day. So, as you can see me, I'm walking through this land. So what happened here is that this side, it was waterlogging. That's why you see this corn is not growing very nicely. Yeah, with this waterlogging here. So you can see where there's no waterlogging, the corn is growing in a very good way. So this one is called millet. This one is called millet. You can see this one. So it's millet. So this one, when it grows, it's a drought-resistant crop. And this one is called cassava. This one, and this one is maize. So this one you see here, it's nice because no waterlogging here. But where there's waterlogging, corn tends to grow in a very ununiform way. So a place where land is flat and water flows in a good way, there's no problem with waterlogging. The corn grows in a very good manner and has high yields. So you can see this guy has planted spinach here and sweet potatoes. Yeah. So there's also a villa coming up here. You might be wondering why there's some land farming here. Also there's a villa here. So everybody chooses to invest what he likes in. So this guy has invested in a very nice villa here. It's a very expensive villa. You can see it here. Very nice one. This one, once finishing has been done, will be a very nice property, nice investment. So in case you're wondering where you are in this channel called Ombily Oly, and I myself am the presenter, presenting you nice informative videos traveling across Africa. Particularly now we are in Kenya, exploring one or two, showing you how the place looks like. So you also have these wooden houses. This is made of offcut. This one here, inside you put something inside to stop cold from disturbing you. Yeah. Also, we also can fence with K-apple. It's a K-apple. See, there's the apples, so many them there. So also you can fence with them, or you can choose to fence with anything, bougainvillea, everything you want. Yeah. So this is a road here. You can see lorries passing here. Yeah, it's a very good environment. You can see it here. So me, I passed through here, this road here, showing you how Africa is developing, has developed, what we are lacking and what we got. So what we are lacking deep inside, when you go inside, is that we have these county government roads. These are being headed by governors. The problem with those roads, these governors don't maintain them. Some places they maintain, some places they're just money minting. Because you find that these lorries, they pay cess, and this cess is for maintaining these kind of things. But when these governors get the money, I don't know where they take the money to, because the roads are in dilapidated conditions. But in some counties, you go even deep in the villages, deep, you know, here we're not deep, but deep in the villages, you can find the roads are properly maintained. Like you see, nice properties here, nice houses here. Yeah, I say nice houses because it's not cheap to build a house like this one. It's very expensive. Yeah. Now this one road here, I see they put some maram here. This one also they put a stopper there. Lorries are not allowed to pass from there. So some people maintain their roads and stop lorries from passing there. Or if a lorry passes there, it has to pay. Yeah. So this place, if you live, is a serene environment where you enjoy. So this is a goat. Yeah, you can see this is a common kind of exotic. I don't know what kind of goat is that one, but those ones are used for milking. Yeah. So some inroads like this one, they have put some marams like this one. You can see. Yeah. Also one thing, you can see people down there. We have one issue here that is disturbing many men here. Men waking up in clubs to drink wine. Drinking. See them staggered. They're far, but you can see those two people are staggering. Yeah. Some people wake up in the morning just to take alcohol, good and bad. Yeah. This is an alcohol, then it smells alcohol, this one. So beautiful people, I'm now near at the site now. See everything going. So in the morning we had gone to purchase some plumbing equipments. Now I have them here. They are here, some plumbing equipments. Hey, don't joke with these plumbing things. So the fittings plus the WC, everything I had planned to buy. My budget was around, fittings was around 30,000 plus labor. Now I went and bought everything, so it was down to 25,000, and plus the labor. The labor will be adding of the labor 25,000 only the fittings. Then I'll add the money of the labor on it. So on the fittings, I'm less on 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, also on the fittings, so on my budget. So fittings, some things I managed to have them. The PVC pipe 4-inch, not when I was having it, and also the 2-inch for the what do you call it? For the soak pit, water from the kitchen, from the bathroom. Those one I have the pipe. So another thing that did not buy was, what is it? I did not buy. What I did not buy is some small fittings that I had from before. Yeah. So I'm arriving now here, but Tom is making a lot of noise about me. We, kata kama ndo amekula ugali. Umetoka lunch saizi. Unakata ukiogopa nini? Yeko mwanamke sijeko umemshika mzuri. Nimeenda. So we are continuing with the putting the metal bars in order so that they can be put here for corrugation. So I finally arrived with these plumbing materials for the fittings. So we managed to install this. You can see it here, this chandelier here. Also some electrical consumer unit. Also some plugs. Also we have another one inside here. So these are the plumbing materials. You see I'm having them here. So most of these things will be used in the bathroom. So let's go outside there. We'll see what we're going to do next. First, let's check if this light is working. Let's see if it's working. You see, it's working like that. You can see it. That's how it's working. You can see. That is our chandelier for the bedroom. Yeah. Finally, we're also able to install the doors. You can see the doors are inside here. Yeah, what remains is just some skimming here, because this is where it was broken when we were installing them. Some small things are remaining. Yeah, I don't know why it's blinking like that. But at least I'll just check why it's blinking. Kwa hivyo hata nikitaka unigrilie kashibo pale kwa unigrilia. Wapi? Pale kwa hiyo meza. Akuweke pipe ya gas hivi juu. Oh Mada anafurahi. Anajua nenda kumundia kitu yake huko ndani. Oh, hiyo kama. Screws pale kangu ndio kamepotea. Lakini bado iko sawa. Pipe. Lakini naona hii kubwa inataka kitu kubwa. Oh, hii inakuja namna hivi.
Sasa hii nikishafunga.
Those are handles for fixing the wash basin. You can see them, and then plumber is now fixing the screw so that he can pin it to the wall. That is what is going on there. So guys, don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Now this is plumbing works ongoing, and everything is going on as planned. Very nice. So now it's putting everything in order. You see now the fittings is fitting it there. The drainage will be now putting there. It's now putting the drainage now. What is the ongoing plumbing works? Yeah. Nataka brand new. Oh, hizo ndio fittings ulikuwa unaulizia? Nimeanza fittings sasa.
Sasa hizi niliziandika kando.
Siku anazishika hizi fittings sizioni.
Sasa hizi ziko kando.
Nasema imeingia mzuri kabisa.
Sasa nikishafunga hizi screw. Hapa ndio mtu anaweza kalia. Mtu anakalia juu vizuri sana. Shafunga hizi screw kila kitu kwa sawa.
Hello. 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 Unasumbuliwa na watu. Luko ushindwe. Mimi nadai ama wanadai. People can disturb you. They wanaweza call 10 times. Nothing important, only disturbing.
Disturbing. Hawa nataka tu mafomu.
Mafomu. Maisha melemea huko. Nimekubali kutoa maji.
Hiyo umeshafunga hivi?
Nimeshafunga hivi.
Nilikubali, ni mchanga zilikuwa zimejaa ndani. Mchanga nilikuwa natoa. Lakini sasa hii itabidi tumechange. Hii itabidi tumetisha hiyo futi mbili. Hapa limekuja, hapo hizi zitafika.
Na sasa badilisha tu size. Hapo itoe kabadilisha size.
Nikuja sasa shamba.
Toa kabadilisha size. Toa. Kabadilisha. Funga maji. Yaani kabadilisha size alafu nirudi. Window busy.
Lakini hii ni 15 kweli? Hii ni 15 kweli? Kama ni 18.
Sio ndio unasema iwe kweli?
15 ni 15 ama ni 18? Hii ni 12. Nataka kuniambia ni 15, hii ni 18.
Hii ni 18. Hakuweka hiyo mwambie.
Nataka 15.
Alisahau.
Kitu kikubwa. Hii inakaa kiacho ya kanjo.
Kiacho ya kanjo kubwa.
Si ni kubwa?
Ni kubwa sana.
Yake.
Paka tu. Nafanya nini sasa na shatafunga.
Hii ni 18. Na zilibona niliandika 15 by 15.
15 by 15 Hiyo ndio imeenda hasara.
Bana.
Hii ni kama hii ndio ameenda sasa. Hii ni kama tao mbili.
Hii ni tao mbili. Hii kwanza nilikuwa nanunua siku nyingine makastedayo na nunua za usiku. Bro, umeamua kuflash?
Sija flash.
Naweza testing.
Nilikuwa nimekelea tu kasista na alafu
the flashing.
button tukakimbia.
The flashing.
Naweza test.
And the flashing before time ifike.
Hii kwa shava.
Iko nesa. Wao ndio nasemanga iko tike.
Uliamua ile ya Tondo iende hivyo?
Bana. Sasa kwanza hadi ni 15. Hii ni 18.
Hai. Unaambia 15 naweka 18.
Unaambia 15 naweka
18. Lakini bei amelipisha 15.
Bana, sasa hizi ndio venda sana.
Baada nikutengenezeka socket.
Kasocket ka? Rudi nyuma. Itabidi. Kuna kaka pipe?
Kanare ndio wako pipe. Kanare.
Kanare ndio.
Mbona hiki pipe hii ilikuwa kibahati sana. Yaani nilitafuta na pipe sipati. Naenda pale wakaona pale nakapata kamejificha hapo. Na last time tulitafuta tukapata.
Tulitafuta. Na tulikuwa tunataka kadogo. Hadi hatunge nunua imagine.
Ilikuwa hapa kisha mbona hata kama afadhali tumenunua sababu mbona hii imetusaidia pale pengine. Ingebidi tuende kwa duka leo tena. Advantage. Hapo tunakosana na mtu wa stima. Andika pipe zako. Anaandika pipe hazitoshi. Tena tunaendea zingine. Andika tena zingine. Tena hazitoshi. Unaweza biashara gani sasa hivi?
Mtu anari.
What KB
anaku undercoat.
Unajua hapo nataka ndio malizane material.
Unajua hakuna kitu baya kama hii. Unajua nilichukia hii kazi kuchoka. Lakini kuchoka
ndio hii kuchokaji sana.
Atokaji sana.
Kwa mkono.
Au mkono.
Mimi nakwambia kitu nilifanya nikachukia tu kazi ya
masonry.
Niyo tu kuchoka.
Na kuna sehemu ukienda masonry ni starehe tu. So my people, what I've come to realize right now that the biggest part of construction, the hardest part is the finishing part. Finishing entails things like. So my beautiful people, what I've come to realize is that the biggest part and the hardest part of construction is the finishing part. This is where we do the electrical fittings, plumbing fittings, those things. Electrical, plumbing, MEP, those things like that. And also the carpentry fittings, inside doors, cabinets, things like that. Painting, putting of the curtain rods, curtain holders rods on the rods, those are the biggest part, and they are the very most expensive things to do. You can build a house with maybe for example 10,000 USD, but it's very hard. Maybe a mad house. But now the biggest and the hardest problem is finishing it. You can use double that amount. No joke. And that thing needs you to be there. If you give people to do that for you, they'll just do you some very bad job that will make you regret. Not very good. Very tough. So let me arrive home now and see what Tom is waiting to tell me there. Because Tom is so much eagerly waiting for me there. Don't know what Tom wanna tell me. Tom is very stubborn. Niko, hii itatosha kukoroga hiyo imebaki pamoja na hata hiyo choo. Sitachanganywa na hii. In case you're new, Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys who are coming through, who are deciding to support me. It's a very nice thing. So guys, when I'm making this video, it's something emotional that I would like to pass on today. So yesterday I was having a very rough time, and during that time some calls were not nice things. They were emotional. They were just emotional damaging me. They were killing my vibe. And in that process, I went into a PSV Matatu and finally lost my precious phone. It's an old phone, Samsung phone, that I have been with it for a long time. So it has a lot of my details inside. I don't know why I'd forgotten to transfer the information into my laptop. I just don't know. No, I've never lost a phone. So I trusted myself so much with that phone. I don't know what just happened. Just you can say it's just one of the bad days. Someone can destroy your day and such kind of things happen. But despite that, life has to go on and everything has to be on track. So today, guys, I want to show you the progress of our projects. When I came and right now. So when I came, first thing, you can see the first impression. This place was full of grass. You could not even pass it. You could fear that a snake could bite you. But come now this is the level, land level, you can see. This is only dumping, this one you can see. So the level is here. So this meaning that this fence, perimeter wall is very high. Check the level is here. Check the level, but check this dumping. So the dumping has raised is so much high. But you see this dumping here, it will be spread all over here. It will be spread all over here. When it will be spread all over here, this place will look okay. So what remains here is only putting corrugation on these pillars. You can see these pillars. Only the metal bars are there. It's not remaining. So you can see this is something that we have transformed our place, man. Something very good. You can see this will be a gate for entering here. So these pillars came out very nicely. You can see they came out very nicely, these pillars. Yeah. You can see this how it looks inside here. Looks organized. So let me start from outside here. So you can see this small heap. These are the what do you call them? The stones and the maram from this septic tank that is inside here. This septic tank, you can see the piping. The piping supposed to bring waste. So you need another pipe, maybe 1 meter or 1.5 meter to enter from that hole to dump inside this septic. So we are less of that pipe. So I'm going to check if it is inside here. So we still have still we have this ballast. So it will be enough for finishing all those pillars and also putting it on top of this corrugation on top of this septic tank. So what we're going to do is that I have metal bars there. We have to tie them and put them here and corrugate this place. So what remains is that when they'll be building this, what do you call it? When they'll be building this toilet, they will finish up together. That's why they left this space here for the toilet. They build it together. They don't build it at once. That's why you see the stones are going like this. What is going on here? Another thing, guys, is that I still have the sand for building. This stone, dust, sand. See, it's still too much. This one will finish even the toilet. Not everything. This one. So this one was enough. Another thing here is that I have stones here. You can see my stones at the background. These stones. So these stones. The budget was they were supposed to finish up to the other side, but they are still too much. So what they'll be done is that the nice ones, sometimes they break like this, but this breakage is no problem. You can be used to building inside the joints. So I'll give someone a job to take these stones and come and arrange them inside here. Also, this heap needs to be put down. This is how they're done so that they can build here. Since you are very busy when they're supposed to remove this. This is how it is. You see, they make this one so that they can go up here. There. Yeah. So today, what they're supposed to do, but what I still have here, I still have this metal bus for this gate. These ones are still there. That one went astray. They need to beat it to bring it to line. This one is okay. Yeah. So this was what remained yesterday, but they managed to finish it. This one here. What remains is just to no. What remains is that it only is from here only 3. So they put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. So only 3. 3 here, and it will be over. So all this will be putting in a very nice way. There will be landscaped. Yeah, the place will look somehow entirely good. Even here needs to be landscaped so that a car can come, turn like this, come inside here. So this hardcore will be more forced to be thrown there. Yeah, that is the progress of our roof. So what will remain is also when they'll be building the toilet, they'll be forced to come and put a barrier here. Stones will be built here. See here? Yeah. They'll be forced to hit like this here and put this stone here. Hey!